Now, welcome back to the channel, all my hustlers and grinders and go-getters. The ones that wake up in the morning, look in the mirror and say, I'm gonna get money today. It's Matt in the JoJo, and we're back with another video.
And in this video, we're gonna talk about why we love working with realtors. How do we get them? How do we keep them? And why you need them to help grow your business.
So it doesn't matter if you're a handyman, a plumber, electrician, or even a junk hauler. They're gonna be your best friend.
On this channel, we teach people how to start their own business and grow their business. So if that interests you, subscribe to our channel.
And smash that like button, and let's get this money.
The first job of the day, and this job came from a realtor that referred us to a homeowner, and I believe it is a full house clean out.
Now I'm gonna tell you like this, having one good realtor on the team or even 5 good realtors on the team that kick ass can make your business grow. You never know when that realtor's gonna call you up and they got a $20,000 job. Now let's check out this job.
Exactly how to get realtors on your team, because you want them on your team. We actually got a $40,000 job from a realtor.
Now let's talk about a few ways you can get realtors on the team. You know my nickname, right? It's Mr. Matthew Vick, aka the Realtor Stalker. And the reason why, I get a bunch of realtors on the team. They keep us so busy. So here's one way you can do it. It's just like when you go out hunting. You want to drive around your town, and anytime you see a realtor sign, what you want to do is stop, type in that realtor's name in the search bar on Facebook, and add them to your Facebook personal page, then add them to your business page, and then anytime you post anything like a junk job, they'll see you and they know what you do. It's crazy how much business I get from doing that. And also, whenever you see open houses on Sundays, what you want to do is stop by there, walk in, introduce yourself to the realtor, give them a business card, and let them know what you do. It's always great to meet realtors in person so they see you face to face. And also another way is,
also you can go online and search where all the realtor offices are and stop by each and every realtor office and introduce yourself. And if you want to know exactly what we say when we walk into a realtor's office, check out our channel membership, because we have a very in-depth video on our members only, because we have a great video that tells you step by step on our channel membership how to get realtors on your team.
And also there's a bunch of realtors on Instagram, so something you can do is hashtag homes for sale in whatever city you're in, and whenever you post anything, it'll pop up and it'll be in their face. And also on Facebook, go through the groups where people sell houses, and there's a bunch of realtors on there that you can add to your Facebook page.
Also, in our area, there's a magazine called Best Homes, and there's probably those magazines where you are too. And inside is a big list of all kinds of realtors, and it gives you their email addresses. You can simply write out an email, copy and paste it, and send it to multiple realtors.
gonna tell you like this. If you ain't got over 500 realtors on your Facebook page right now, that should be your goal, because you're slipping and leaving a lot of money on the table. I'm gonna tell you like this. I love my realtors, my property managers, my contractors, my organizers, my maids, my movers. They all bring me so much business.
So leave a comment and let us know, how many realtors do you have on your team? Are you using realtors?
So JoJo, how many realtors do you think used us in the last 5 years, you would say? Just an estimate. How many?
An estimate, that's a hard one, because I would say probably 200.
200? Damn, JoJo. That's 200 and something jobs if they all gave us just one job. But in reality, realtors will use you over and over and over again if you do a good job. So keep that in mind. Get realtors on the team.
So it doesn't matter what business you're running, realtors need painters, they need landscapers, they need handymen, they need electricians, and they need junk haulers to haul the junk away to get properties ready to resell.
Now, another thing I love about realtors is once you got them on the team, they'll text you when they need a property cleaned up. They'll give you the address, give you the code to the lockbox, and they don't even need to be there. You just show up, do the job, call them up, and take payment over the phone with their credit card.
Another great thing about realtors is if you do a great job for them, they'll tell other realtors.
Holy shit, it's raining cats and dogs out here right now. But we got the first load done. Make sure the sucker's tarp get it too. Don't want nothing flying out on the freeway.
And another great thing about having realtors on the team is even when it's raining like this, they're still selling houses and they're gonna give you a call.
Now, first load is complete. And here's some advice for you. Don't listen to no one that says realtors are super cheap, they don't pay, they don't give you good jobs. It's like this. Some realtors are cheap, but also some customers are cheap, some property managers are cheap, and also some contractors are cheap. So you got to be open-minded and don't be closed-minded thinking you ain't gonna make no money off realtors. Me and the JoJo, we make a killing off realtors. Ain't that right?
Yes, we do.
Now, JoJo, what's your prediction of the dump fee on this one back here?
I'm gonna say 55.
I'm gonna say $65, and leave a comment down below what you guys think. So go ahead and say it. Who won? Who won? Yo, Daddy, it was $62.
Yep.
That's a good one right there.
Back for round number 2, and as you can see, it is mostly metal. And check out what I found. Now this will be a great addition to the upstairs closet.
So JoJo, what is your price for that job right there? Check it out, guys. Look at that. What's your price? $150. $150? Holy shit, she's being a cheap ass, and that's why I do all the pricing. I'm smacking them at $349. That's why Daddy pays the bills.
$49. It's not even a quarter load.
It's not a quarter load. I can see it better. Oh, you're short, huh? You can't see it, JoJo. You can't see it way down here. It's a nice size load. Now, one thing you always want to do in business is take care of the people that take care of you. That can be the people at the dumps. Maybe you want to buy them some drinks when it's a hot day, or even the realtors that use you over and over again. JoJo, what do we do?
Well, during the holidays, for the realtors that have used us multiple times, we'll put together a nice gift basket.
And keep in mind, anything you put in that basket is a write-off. So make sure you smash that like button if you like this video, and we'll catch you on the next one.